Scairligh fis Twitter agus éile leis na taisciúch agus a bhíochan Barach cimaratha seo úlaach dul gopur ach hísin sin hísin sin Twitter agus an is seachtain dul chat only mode seo mar sin Mexican hair Collis nach fér. Caú sin an tweet ar a scairligh agus scairligh mé ar a chuntas éileachán agus nuair sin táisiigh sin. Neist díobh dul dhéanamh check go dtí agaibh mo chláin sin. Collis gnudin agus sin éimethe táisiigh sin fáilte go Cluicheamaid a mé bhí bríomíon seo dhéanamh ar san go bhfuil 3 bliain inis so ha má bhí táiseach agus sin dalach le Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order Òrdugh Crìon a chud míad ar Twitter agus ha míad bhí I féimh sin géime seo chuig mías an is cheannig mí an Xbox a hiú mías ar san Cluicheamaid dhéanú suir míon géime seo leis ach fa mí ar san a bhí gachlaigh ar san chéadúd iad a stream. Hí sibh go bhfuil continue agus load journey an mar option or bha mí na bithráide a fíochanrí jo ire ein etid mothú agus ceáil a géime chaní le bullach ceart háast ach fatan na searna bhaid. Mar sin dal a háisiúch géimh úr Star Wars. Ha mí daine a chláin sin de gra go bhfuil cáracha a bhí Cluiche Jedi Master go raibh sin maratha cád a bhí go Cluiche. Mí sin cintáisiigh mí a Jedi Knight díreach ar san. Cha bhí rá má rééis sem ha díreach a basca go le coitigan. Nus stacha go bíach ní le bí rá spársa. Mér viran. Ha ui bhór ac am Star Wars chanin caiinam is uair nach rás Star Wars na phàirt gen bheithe caiinam ar na sean bhideo hen gohadiid Empire Strikes Back. Seo sin. Mi tesin go seo tachart etid an fesih agus an cedih etar eternals right ní na chuirste a gún agus anyhow go raibh míon an esca am dé anyhow Michelle.
Listen, I don't want to upset your rhythm, Cal, but the boss wants a word. Good for us. Here he is, Chief.
Prof.
An error has been detected on line 10A. All our clamps are jammed. I need 2 workers to climb up and secure the cables.
That's not an easy maneuver.
The government will double your pay for this shift.
Oh, wow. Cal, what's your score? That couldn't hurt. Huh?
Alles gewil etiquette.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Get to work.
Kerst. So, when we should go put aid Star Destroyers is written. Tutorial has on, yeah. Lame? Damn Clone Wars. Years.
Sorry, Cal.
Don't worry about it.
Oh.
I don't think these tools are gonna make
Up
it
here.
shift.
Just mention. Barach lame na
After
bhain
you,
tú.
kid.
Oh, Shashin. Shallow. Yeah. Rat.
Will you look at that? A separatist ship. Haven't seen a Luke or Hulk in ages.
Yeah. Ages.
Breaking her will be big money.
Cast. So, Ashin ye the first written
All right,
as an
let's
Cade.
go.
Harsh. Immersion. Shouldn't kill. Son of a mission shot.
Look out!
Hands up!
Oh, man.
Hey, you okay?
Mario Brothers on him.
Yeah, I'm good. Ladder's out, though. You're gonna have to find another way.
Yeah, no problem. I'll improvise.
See you there, pal.
Jeez. Marshall? City. Oh.
Depart this barge immediately. You are not approved trash.
Trash. Just not approved trash.
Oh, how many fat I can chin a cow. Good trade. In a conversion, but. Finished. I mean, you're kind of more on blame here.
Easy there.
Just passing through.
Strap. Hey, teacher. Lock me off on camera.
Hurry up! We're close to finishing ahead of schedule. I can just about taste the credits.
Ah,
Gonna be a wild night tonight.
oh.
Let's get this job done.
So, I'm expecting to get a natural platformer. Not the high, I can do.
Reckless cow.
Good to see you.
You too. Don't get yourself killed.
Oh,
That's the idea.
Shin. Is big big aiming on basket. Oh, actually. Oh no, that can be top. Yarn. Aha, yeah, ui,
Sounds
knocked
like
down.
scrap rats.
That's
Creepy.
Um,
Just passing through, guys. No need to come out and
Martian.
say hi this time.
Táilte French go gaime ha seo tíineach as nuair a rún Disney mar Star Wars 13 gin rá gon chail gon de bhrí sin mór an dúd so
Hey, Cal. I'll meet you at the clamps.
Sounds good. Be there soon.
so ha má gaime úr Star Wars 18 tíad up gaime Battlefront single player mode. I guess Jedi Knight, Jedi Outcast, Jedi Academy. I should not come did an Xbox. Like I'm working on a ski in the GIF it. I have
How'd you get here?
graphics I guess
How'd
mentioned
you
already.
get here?
Huh?
I can't get at it. Okay, the picture can find me for oh, you should mean Shaw. Richard could bask me anyhow, Harkin. Nope. Madam. Nope. Give me all the way, man. Jakiś inżynierist? Okay. Nicht Actually, like you have more on lane or strap. I guess sliding.
Look, the
Oh.
ship cutter is here.
There it goes. Hey, we should get moving.
Veel leiding bij misschien. Oh mijn god, ik ken. That is the good man. Strep reading your lane. Wachor Russian, dear. Wow. Chalishin. Chali. So this line.
Hurry, we gotta finish before they start cutting this wing.
Oh, can. Oof. Net uit je tharlach. Har ik in ja. Dus je een kietje.
Cal, use the manual override lever below.
Ja, lever. Smenig niet. Smenig wel. Alle water geleerd. Yep. Oh, well, right. Cavill a manual override lever. Seachad dit. Nog rough in my capacitor. Nope. Well, goed me een setting nas uruste gus nog basig in kus. Dat is één. Start my first shot. Okay.
Got it. Your turn.
Hold on. All right, clamp secured.
Mission the lane. Ow?
Whoa.
Yeah.
You okay?
Ooh.
Still here.
Give me a fright there, pal.
Was je aan la avondjag or something dingen?
Done. Hang on. I got this. We're done. Get out up here.
And cashed.
Come take a look at this. It's a Jedi fighter. What a score! It's a real scrapping payday. I mean, this thing's been here, what, 4 years?
5.
Whoever flew this went down in a blaze of glory.
Je
Those
mis je
Jedi.
van.
Real tragedy. Yeah, I've always said they couldn't all be traitors.
Yeah, maybe.
Guess it's just our lucky day. Empire's gonna get a lot of good material out of it. Yeah, here we are scrapping these ships from the war just so they can turn around and make new ones. What a racket, huh? All of us risking our necks for the bosses. And the pay was better back during the Republic, too.
Hey, you really should watch what you say.
Listen to me. Find us feel like this, it'll be your ticket off this soggy rock.
What makes you think I want out of here?
Come on, Cal, you're a young guy. You don't end up like me.
Oh.
Eventually, you gotta move on and live your life. Find your destiny.
Whatever you say. Hey, we should get back down.
You're not listening to me. What is that?
Prof, you okay?
Cal! I can't climb up!
Prof, just hang on.
I'm slipping!
No, don't let go.
I can't hold on!
Prof, no!
Whoa!
You okay, Prof?
I'm all right. down.
Pilot's gone. I'll get us out of here. Just hang on.
Watch out, Cal!
Look out! This thing is barely flying. Hold on! You all right?
Yeah.
This is the boy can around mission.
We gotta move. Come on.
What the hell happened? What was that back there? Was that you? What, that was the Force, wasn't it?
Just forget what you saw, okay? Please
No,
trust me.
I've seen them. I've seen
Oh,
the stories.
Wolf.
I've heard it. There's bounties out on people like you.
I know.
Yeah, we're ready. We need to be careful. Yeah.
Oh, Vov. Wel, ik alles gewel prauf Arab zag. I mean, dachas. Weet je, ik wil heb ik aan Irving gedaan.
You holding up okay?
Good. Yeah, you?
Yeah. Cal, I've been working with you some time now. I've never seen you do anything like that before. We've been through some hell together. So, I know the risk that you took for me. I don't know how to repay you.
Don't mention it. I mean it.
Oh, you
Yeah,
don't have
literally.
to worry about me. But this place, it's not safe. Maybe you should, disappear.
Just gonna head back to my place, grab my bag. Tavers owes me a favor.
I heard he was up on, Mount Shadow.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Won't be seeing me for a while, Prof.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay, Cal.
Dus wens ik wel naar Shadak aan CD. Of eigenlijk in een perle. Jaga. Moet je nagaan. Hey.
Prof?
Oh, I mean, dog is nog heel erg. Dat is goed. Marie.
Prof, wait up.
Hey, enige sin. Is tal in Jedi. I mean, dog is nog heel. You know, really, Jedi kill.
Where you going?
En nu gaat er naar lame. Hier kashach. Can you like go? Ja, schon fast gleich. Oh. Oh, both. Kan je schaam eitje. Vision net gaat ik instappen. Naast kan jullie gaat rijden alleen. Oh, mission. Right of it in. Long Spanish. Long shot. Jenna Fury became Sabbath Jenna, yeah, really good. Oh, daar is helemaal gaaf.
Look well and listen.
Master.
Trust only in the Force.
Wolf.
Train has stopped.
Yeah. Something's going on.
Oh. Finish on that.
Identification ready. Move out and line up.
Probably just another contraband inspection.
Any darkness. Gaming kill. Ooh, caution. Think about Cylons or whatever. Bastard blood. Oh, wolf, finish on beaches. Yeah, you're right, you're right, kid. Switching engine Brady in this Pelican for Star Wars Rebels. I get shit. Switching available places. So, here's your man. Oh.
Is this all of them?
Yes, second sister.
Darna, Judith.
We seek a dangerous fugitive. This is no common anarchist, but a devotee of the treasonous Jedi Order. Failure to turn over this traitor will result in a charge of sedition. Turn yourself in, or everyone present shall face summary execution.
Oh, I fully shocked na dollar half hour.
I think it's time someone came forward. I've been working on this heap a long time. Way before the war. We refit and rebuilt ships. Best in the galaxy. Then came the Empire. And engineers became scrappers. The workers, they just started getting worked.
Prof.
Oh.
We all know the truth. We're just too afraid to say it. To the Empire, we're all just expendable.
Yes, you are.
No!
Oh, whoa.
With this, a lightsaber.
I found the Jedi!
What's that? Checking out the disturbance.
Oh, that hurts.
Hold it. Don't move. How'd you get here?
Easy now.
Got a stowaway.
Hey, you don't...
Jedi!
Cashed. Oh, wolf. Okay. Go call us a shot, huh? Are you?
Hear that over the comm? Jedi? Stay sharp. They won't get past us. The traitor, blast them. I think I'm done.
I should have swords up. Oh,
Contact confirmed. Shoot to kill. You and me.
Scanning. Det var streamet upp ett kanske. Men jag är really good at the laptop. Doing me out of
I've got him.
the office bill has to go to gauge,
Watch yourselves. I checked the cargo door. You get all the rewards for this.
Machine? Okay, go put it a laptop. Oh, Christian Ecoadam. J hacking again. Oh. A lightsaber? Watch me light. Connor. Basket or something. Got a connection attacker. Let's go shot. The lame.
Gotta keep moving.
I chose to rest instead. That's how I prepare.
That's how you prepare for death. Rest when you're dead, Stormtrooper. Someone might be back there.
I'll take him down.
Catch him!
Don't just stand there. Do something.
Oh. Okay. Kind of more dark. They make it Patty and Mercy. Hey. Joshine. Okay. Let's tell him, Shaw. Took a bit of shit. Off him. Nope, man. Move to it. Okay, let me take you in. Oh, it's gonna.
The fugitive comes this way. I'm ready for it. Jedi!
Suez. Well, I thought it was like more than I thought. Had it check on that I guess I'm here. Eddie.
I can take him myself.
Are you? Oh.
Hit him already!
We'll win easy. Scored a hit.
Watch your back!
Oh, boy.
Take him out! You aren't so smooth! What, too much for you? Can't take a hit?
I thought you could look at me at Jedi Knight and actually Jedi Master. I'm glad. I was had better. I must did it and having to these others.
Get to the front. Stop the train. Oh no! Need cover. Gotta move in between bursts. Now. Faster!
He's here! I'm ready for you.
Part Shinram.
shot the coupling out.
Hey.
Gotta get down.
She's fine. Oh, both.
No, no, no!
The shot had come to man more in charge.
Whoa! This is bad.
You need a heads up. Respect. Uncharted Dark Souls helmet.
Only way is up.
That's an assassin. Okay. Fuck, I'm fit. Oh, enhance.
We're here to help!
Who are you?
No time! Keep moving! We'll pick you up to reach head!
Okay, I could do that. Sailing, raw, out, now, fatty. I can match alien. Chluicheamaid. Oh, h-Aon. More than threat. Bad threat once again, a shot. This thing. Oh, well, especially. Up my hand.
Quick, take him down.
Oh, well. Okay. Yeah, that's really good on that.
Find an opening.
Oh, well. How many all of that? Yeah, yep. Oh. Okay. Okay. That's good enough, bad. Yep, should have. I could should have line him. Can't even shit. I could should have line him come out here. I was could should have had a slapstick kind of thought. The man Star Wars.
Train stuff? This can't be good. Whoa!
Oh, and seachad god off agus is calling him Oh,
somewhere.
Scanal. Oh, see it, Helen Shaw.
I recognize that stance. Perhaps you've had some training after all. Who's your master? Padawan? Someone I killed, perhaps? What Jedi gave their life so that you might live?
Oh, honey, go mad tangle go bhfuil better. Oh, wolf. Oh, still an ceol.
I can sense your fear.
Okay, red attacks.
You'll have to do better.
Oh, wolf.
Better than I thought.
Ik heb zeker wel weer kind of more on each other than here.
Very well. You won't dodge the next.
Oké, ik vind je wel veel maar kan je feitje nog. Maar nu de huid ligt. Dark Souls.
Your demise draws nearer.
Kjaalsje die toch gewoon maar. Ja. Oh well. Misschien vind je wel iets al gewoon hoog.
You're mine.
Oh, wow. Get your hoog. In the way.
Get on board!
Angus on renting. Great. Slash planning the issue. Ooh, I way to skip it. Skip it. I guess it's skip it. North. Line yes, Jane Panama hit a one good job. Okay. Keen Jack could chicken. Nah, chicken.
Okay, shut that thing off and grab some seed.
Oh, Cal. I'm at them.
Thanks for the help. Who are you people?
My name is Sir Junda, and this is my captain, Reese Dritus.
How you doing?
Reese.
Yeah, the Mantis is my ship, but you better pay attention to this lady here.
So, who are you?
Cal. Kestis. Who was that back there?
An Imperial Inquisitor. She's a Force user hunting Jedi survivors. And now that she knows who you are, she will not stop until she destroys you.
How do you know so much? And why'd you help me?
We track Imperial communications. We heard the Inquisitors were heading to Braca. So we made our move.
Oh, yeah?
Okay. So Horatio.
What's the bounty on Jedi these days anyway?
That's gratitude for you.
Look, I get it. You've been surviving on your own for so long that it's impossible to trust anyone. And it's what's kept you alive. But this is about something bigger than just surviving.
Like what?
Oh, the rebelty.
Building the Jedi Order.
Oh, Scania.
You too? Anybody else?
Oh,
We're not good enough for you?
The Jedi Council?
They're gone.
So I'm all you've got.
So Chara is ag canal.
Captain,
Gyrach
set a course for Bogano.
in council
Aye, aye.
Búlach. Madam.
In the
Well,
meantime,
Haniel, Yoda,
try and
Obi-Wan.
relax.
Muin ach
Go. You're
Neil
safe.
thing spiation.
For now.
Aboard Long Vanish the Mantis.
You gotta move on and live your life. Find your destiny. Calico!
You were talking in your sleep. Weirdo.
Estelle Gris. Okay. So Shaw. Oh. Achievement. Mantis. Skip it. I feel like geez, you want to skip it. Film show. Hi Farkin. Star Wars ach Kuchach. Becan mad leis an orange agus dú agus gal becan mar Mass Effect. Expect to go ahead. Cerberus. Oh, sa snog gonna be shaking board again. You want some of your Conica? Can you reach a force? Codicast? Space mandolin. Well.
That song. I wrote it. Years ago.
Ooh.
Such
Ancient
an object
enough.
and witness events connected to it. You feel its history.
It's an echo in the force from the object.
Not many Jedi have that skill.
How would you know that?
I was once a Jedi, but not anymore.
Do I know you?
Jay.
No. But I knew your master, Jaro DePaul. He was a true guardian of the Republic.
He was a hero. Listen. Something happened to me during the purge. I survived.
Chamak Hami
My connection to
Garrick
the force
Count
is
Bio
damaged.
at Hami Cloiche.
When I meditate, if I let my guard down, I lose control.
Basically.
And it's like I'm back in that moment when...
You survived, Cal. And you're not alone. Not anymore.
We're coming up on our destination.
Bogano. And then you go on penetration.
This is Bogano. A Jedi I knew discovered it before the Purge. You won't find it on any maps.
The Empire doesn't know this place exists.
No.
So,
What on time, Chamak?
we hide out here?
We're done hiding, Cal. See that structure over there? I believe that vault holds the key to rebuilding the Jedi Order. But it requires someone strong in the Force to pass its test.
And since you're not a Jedi anymore, that's why you need me.
I know you don't trust me. And I'm not really sure I trust you. But we have a common enemy. And a common cause. I'll share more of my plan after you reach the vault. But, until then, there's someone here I think you should meet. May the Force be with you.
Amoran cutscenes also am seo is ha ferric an carneánach od hneamir san brín hadis ára ach chuideach hneamir san díreach a bhí nam host feta root.
Guess I'm looking for a Jedi then.
Aye.
But if there's already one here, why does Seer need me?
Okay, ping skill come gebieden has sin céalta. Stoch gan go ruirta customization. Nope, chaneal sin a gluasit teacher. Okay, it's cínteach gon íse go na hat dal ha. Ach, ai, ich hamik bí mí lévig kaint bia hayakam is screen eile. Fa mín tú stacha ir screen seo kuteach. Ach, hai nachgig an san karan ag baun a screen ir a tuv Jess agus sin uan an fadavel an game seo ag íse gut J an button hacketry putig J an putan hacketry refutig. So stalker san an na ed can kudni id a screen héine ach dú ha come id ha a laptop acum pasco im hev agus gach stocha trína céhid mention ha mi cat an ul agus nu sin chile agus.
This looks like a safe place to meditate.
Sure.
Just need to focus my mind.
Oh, stocha go rawn an a heach if it's me classic skill point. Karen mar bonfires and a Dark Souls. Save point. Okay, yeah. So Jírach mar the bonfires. Sure, yeah, sinna. Bonfires, you have enough skill points to learn new skills. Sin skill in overhead. Oh, a Jírach in an. Just. See, maar an ha an root an a bound a screen out of Jess, I guess ha mi could chat in the screen could sin far a chat a nach go. I guess I didn't got eichkin. Scania. Good. Okay, so should be quick. I'm gonna put the Y or something. Scania in. I guess Yomi Fedela sitting go. Alien, release of kick, sprint strike, superior blocking, survival skills. So Shaw is doing lightsaber. Rest. Enemies have respawned. Oh, hi guma callach the Dark Souls. Back in the Chluicheamaid game of Dark Souls now. Cached. BD ahead!
BD1. I'm Cal.
BD ahead, Cal, come on.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm looking for someone. No, not you. I'm searching for a Jedi, I think. Hold on. You know the Jedi? What do you know? Wait, hold on! Did you just slice that?
Oh man.
Thanks.
Right. Ach,
that's the vault Seer mentioned. Whoever I'm supposed to find must be waiting there.
And yeah, we suspension can be h-Aon. Oh, hello map. And we suspension could be Ritkin Mar Holocron, yeah. And we switching could be Holocron now. And we switching could be h-Aon. Okay. The show of Fatikin. My show of Fatikin kind of mad mar na game of Metroid. Na Darson at the alley too. Okay. Chin. Sure. Okay. Explore the paths. Marshin. Okay. Come on, how we go Lunik the path. So, sitting in that clear shot at it on the map. Oh, yeah,
I sense something over here.
Rutkin halen, ja. Navich is aan de hen, is aan Savage. Stachen. Yeah, Souls agus Metroid, ha go mac ceart. Ha eintje nach govéliad éid caran na rutin caran platformer fo.
That's a really big bug.
Geharid Uncharted. Ik could richele lessels agus Metroid. Ach, leis sin ra ha big platforming an a Souls agus Metroid. Ha ferdig go ma sure go ma callach the rich caran mesca go gin again again sin. Sure, stop well. Oh, she's oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, gosh. Mi fiach in rishin rut uri ons gmi chlach. A sluitach. Oh, bia mama ha mi chlachig for slower kitchen agus nurshin. Okay, sense echo.
It was after boggling eggs and the pack fought back.
After boggling eggs, pack fought back. Dead splocks killed by boglings when attempted to raid the nest. Their psychometry, calculacy mission. Nisht, a seoint nach ar ha mi díadach táisce go léimhigh leor a hanig amach a chion gréis the Force Collector agus sound move Jedi og eile agaibh and Cuach go seo.
No way through here. Guess that's why BD1 warned me. Alright, maybe I'll listen to you next time.
Echtri rutkin eichkin travi buntinrish. I can an inch nach. I mean feikin kersan a churuchtu sin an a gemme an atje an a film. Od suning gain rutten bicke ein. Is kunnig sin arach in ik sin go either an a Force Awakens le Rey nud ha tukal a lightsaber like Anakin. Like say feikin well I feikin root in the hachar agus root
How to get across
the
this gap somehow. Zipline?
Sure. Okay. I mean that's go fame I can see the lane.
Whoa! How'd you know that would work?
Oh man.
Wait.
Oh.
You did?
Atje eiler is an restein and you know skill points and beacom so Kerst. Okay. Just keeping out fuskily on map Cast my shot. Oh hi tank. Kabila. Het jagen. De cat nul him. Well Mishikiri and map.
I hear you, but there's something over here I want to explore.
Nila drive Chluicheamaid a repus mis suas rhythm mar seo. Céisiacham LT, RT. Okay, fucking oh, A. Well, I shouldn't have done a kill. Oh, wolf. Close, but no scared.
What is this place?
Dacht ik wel veel om chillen met haar barach, Chuach en voorstak. En heel voor. sin. Sin.
The Jedi used this place to study the sphere above. I can still feel the excitement.
Like, 2 more. Okay. Meticulous handcrafted notes on the energy sphere left by the researcher. I guess. Is that everything in the show? Yeah. It's kind of. Gee. Oh shit. Give me give out. Yeah. Well, let me do it, you. Didn't stand him. Force him, teacher. Just coming away. Fine, yes, and I just. Oh. Jellicoe, fine, that's not. Yeah. It's me. You got lame? Doch, wel seo go dam. Yeah, go dam. Na game ich hele fiction net op. Ach. En jou, gaan aan te gaan met jou. Just you got the sheer such? All in ya. That? Oh, shushing. Bullshach. Oh, so this line. So this. This. Oh. En nu gaan we leems en gamen zo gierig of wie. En nu zijn. Okay. Right, Cavill. Hij has trank. Bhideo hun. Zie how this. Frame rate issues aan hen nog.
It smells worse than grease does.
Oh, Wolf. Okay. Sure. Oh, Wolf. Your force meter is empty. Damage enemies to regain force. Okay. Yuck. Yep. How many talig je nach de me is Òrdugh. Damaging the enemy who killed you will restore your last XP and refill your life. Okay, go mad Dark Souls. Go mad Dark Souls. Go mad Dark Souls. Okay, fiach me a fair shot in to the sailor. Agus sin statí sin na mis sin chiad stream well stocha gom fiach mí ma sarvachas lam go fiach mí agus ma dal go lam go chuig mí an bharachach mar réal sin ag uair a híte. Okay, Jack me and Slia of oh, I'm going to shot. Yeah. Suas. Yeah. Terug naar heel blaster. Als je naar hem. Die verder kan biggen. Savage is ja. Assassin. En pudding dood je. Terug. As de vallen van Earth. Keine Fame kan keine Rück. Gehen wir in Harry. Schön. Energy. He's maak een shot. Oh, wow. Kan je zoiets maar. Okay. Ein assassin nu de huis mention. Oh. That runs out of blocks now. Okay. Let me take it. Slow you down. Oh, has je ook een maas force. Intent. Maar Dark Souls. Is je nak daar? Òrdugh. Oh, ieder gaat het maar en de mixture in Netherland. Gaan we hier wie seach na spoilers van wie zo gaan achterkomen ja. Nee. Oké, je haak in aan ja.
Was killed. Was it trying to defend its family?
Boggling corpse. Oh, Wolf. It's true, Shin. Shin the animation? Knitting. Cached. Okay. Chili me can actually Aviano. Agus mission. Shin van hier. Episode Chluicheamaid. Ja, zo aardig. Meer wie primi zo jenne voor zo'n pat wenig in patten is. Dus hij maar tasig hier jenne. Agus use get the goed me it medium en als je daar basic me in toeris. So hier zien maar het gaat en na heb als je dal stegen uit je zo. Maar dan hoort me gegritsch mee gefashion larak Jedi aan. En we switch gefashion larak holocron neurith gemarchen studus shin ach meditate shoshin skill tree genial penguin skills beacom rest enemies have been respawned agus fuck agus it's mentioning about Shin. Oh, sitting it with Scanial BD1. We switch get Nishin, I guess Mantis, Gold Squadron, Crimson. Jirach Caillou. It is an Almeida Hashin. Fakimi and a hinna. More an tang son a bhí am chuteach a dú I mean dúgan nach seo YouTube a nach agus bechar go féich mí a nach heachgan sibh agus tíir a trasta mór an tang a dhíist.